This is the Predator gaming mouse, and we'll go ahead and unbox it. It comes with the mouse, the user manual, and size information. It's the RGB backlit wired mouse, ergonomic design, gaming grade sensor, 5 DPI levels, RGB backlighting, quick fire button, 10 million click life, and 9 programmable keys. Some of the features here listed on the box. Here's the button options. You have 10 buttons: light modes, user modes, DPI modes, and then obviously the preset forward, backward, rapid fire scroll wheel, and left and right button.